Have you tried Merit Beauty? Well, I'm going to do a full glam using Merit Beauty. I'm using the foundation stick in Ochre. I'm applying it onto my cheek. This is a cream foundation, and then you just blend it with a foundation brush or a sponge of your choice. And it just kind of blends so seamlessly. It melts into the skin and looks beautiful. I think I might be a shade lighter than I am, but now I'm going to use the cheek color in Terracotta to give me a little bit more color to balance out the skin. Now I'm going in with the highlighter in Bounce. It's a beautiful translucent glow, kind of a champagne tone, and placing the high points of my face and blending out with my finger. I love how easily these products are able to use, and this is my go-to tinted lip oil, Marrakesh. I've been using this for years. Now I'm applying a little bit more of the terracotta onto my frame of my face just to give a little bit more color and structure onto the face to balance out the look. Last but not least, this is the new single eyeshadow in Midcentury. It's like a beautiful kind of a terracotta tone as well, and I'm applying it with the number 2 brush. It is actually very pigmented. I did not expect that on my eye. And I'm going to apply it to the other eyelid and blend it out, blending it with the brush first. And then I'm going to use my finger to give it a little bit more of a softer illusion and blending it out. I'm also going to apply it onto the lash line and also the lower lash line of my eyes to just give it a complete look. Have you tried Merit Beauty?